Welcome to my channel. This is Audio Explore. This video, I am going to talk about JLab JBuds Mini True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. JLab is a well-known brand ranking among the top 5 in terms of sales in the Bluetooth TWS market in the United States. Let's see how this earbud performs. The packaging is very simple, containing earbuds, a data cable, 2 pairs of earbud tips, and 2 instruction manuals. The size is less than half of a regular Bluetooth earbud, with a matte, textured box-shaped charging case. It also features a very thoughtful circular clasp design for easy portability. The bottom displays parameter information that is somewhat difficult to read, while the top of the case is the brand logo and an oval-shaped design. The side houses the charging port, and the front have a groove design for easy opening, with the battery indicator light also located in this area. The transitional structural lines and the opening position make the feel of the case quite noticeable. When opening the earbuds, there's a magnetic attraction and positioning. The earbuds have a strong magnetic force, so even with significant shaking, it won't fall out. They are very easy to pick. However, it is important to note that earbuds don't connect automatically when you open the case. You need to take out the earbuds for them to connect automatically. There is also no reset button to reset the connection. Taking out the earbuds, they have an oval-shaped in-ear structure, very tiny, only about half the size of a thumb, weighing just 3.3 grams, which is similar to the weight of a coin. They fit deep into the ear, providing stability and comfort. There are no issues with wearing them for extended periods, making them equally suitable for activities like running or sleeping. The JLab JBuds Mini also support IPX5 water resistance, so I don't have to worry about the impact of sweat during exercise. Let's take a look at its noise reduction curve. The average noise reduction in the bass is around 30 decibels, while in the middle it is around 20 decibels. Subjectively, it can reduce the majority of ambient low-frequency noise. However, the noise reduction effect is not very pronounced for human speech or keyboard sounds. It can be said that it has noise reduction capabilities, but they are not very good. In terms of battery life, compared to other products in the same price range, the JLab JBuds Mini performs poorly. It only offers 5.5 hours of playback per earbud, with a total of 20 hours. In comparison, the Ceramics X in the same price range provides 9 hours of playback per earbud and a total of 40 hours. However, considering its size, the 20 hours of battery life is still quite impressive. The JLab JBuds Mini has a latency of 551 milliseconds in music mode and 295 milliseconds in movie mode. The latency performance is very bad, with around 400 milliseconds of delay even after subtracting system latency in music mode, leading to noticeable audio-visual desynchronization when watching movies. Switching to movie mode through the app reduces the delay to around 200 milliseconds, but it is still too high for playing FPS games. The earbuds have 2 microphones on each side and support call noise reduction. Let's listen together to its call quality test.
Tester, tester. Tester, tester. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
JLab JBuds Mini also supports simultaneous connection to multiple devices and comes with an official app that includes features such as switch mode, EQ adjustment, and customizable touch controls for added functionality. The app offers 3 preset EQ adjustments and supports EQ adjustments with 10 frequency bands, allowing for adjustment to the bass, mid-range, and treble levels. In terms of audio experience, the earbuds have shallow bass extension with quick rebound, even when the bass is maximized. The atmospheric feeling is relatively average. The soundstage is small, and the positioning is moderate. They offer good resolution, enabling a good rendition of instrumental music. However, sibilance in vocals is quite noticeable, especially with female voices, which can be sharp. In summary, this is a small and exquisite pair of earbuds that are convenient to carry with a high level of audio quality, performance, and EQ adjustability. The battery life, considering its size, is also very decent. However, the call quality, noise cancellation, and the latency performance are not satisfactory. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.